Ding, 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 ding. The market has closed. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. Let's check out the technicals. Okay, the Dow down 1%. NASDAQ down 1%, 1% on the S&P, and 1.7% here on the Russells, and a 4% pop here on the VIX. We finally got away from the 25. We're at 26 now. And here we are. Now, this is crucial. I want to go a little deeper with you on some technical analysis here on the S&P Daily. And for all of you out there in Tweetland, they're on Twitter and also Facebook, do me a favor and pass this link on. If you're on Twitter, just do an RT at freetradingvideos.com. Retweet. Anyway, here we are. We had this monstrous run, very nice run. We broke up over this resistance line, this trend line, staying above that, making this high base. And I'll tell you, what happened on Friday was very important. Let's talk about this for a second. Now, Friday, we had this high base and had this big pop here on Friday, stopping right here at 1,010. This looked to be a high base breakout. Here's our high base breakout. But at the end of the day, we had a major sell-off. Zoom in so we can really see this. Went up, 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 big sell-off at the end of the day, closing right here at 1,010. And I said it was very crucial for us to continue making higher highs the next day, or this could just be a head fake and we could head southbound. The very next day, this would have been Monday, yesterday, we get ourselves a bearish Harami, which is a reversal pattern, and also a hanging man reversal pattern. We made a lower high, higher low, so an inside trading day, and that was smelling bearish. Now, this had to get some legs under it to really keep going northbound. Instead, we get a gap down, a drop, and look where we close. We closed right here at 994. I said in the intraday video there at noon that I posted that we had big time support at 994 and 993. And sure enough, we closed right there. Bam! So we're at major support and we closed hard here. At the very last 10-15 minutes of the day, volume really picked up on the sell side. Now, let me tell you, for those day traders out there that know what I'm talking about, the rest of you just kind of zone out here for a second. But the net volume on the NASDAQ was down almost 1 billion. The selling volume on the NASDAQ was intense. And then on the trend, we closed at 1.51. I mean, we are over 1.5 on the trend, bearish. So a lot of bearish market internals that we're seeing here. The thing that I did not see yet was advancers to decliners. I didn't see a major drop there. But nonetheless, the markets were bearish today. What I'm looking for and what is very crucial tomorrow, this is Wednesday, August the 12th. What I am really concerned with is, one, will we make a lower low? But what I'm really focusing on here, will we close lower than today's low? Now, this is the S&P Daily per usual, but look at this. The low was 992. We closed at 994. If we close tomorrow, close below 992, especially if we can get under 990, that will be a signal for me to be going short this market. Now, I'm hedged at this moment. I have a number of longs going, and I was hedged yesterday. I kept my hedge going strong. Intraday, I kind of lightened it and then added it back by the day's end. I'm holding TWM, which is the inverse ETF. It's the ultra inverse ETF of the Russell's 2000 index. And that's what I'm holding to hedge myself because I got a lot of smaller cap fund or equities that I'm holding. The other thing I want to show here is the MACD 5, 9, and 2. Look how deep that negative tick is. That shows a separation here between these two moving averages, and we're heading southbound. We're still above the zero line, which is bullish, but the tick is bearish. We're heading in the wrong direction right now, so we need to stay bullish. We need to stay above this area. Let me give you a key mark here. So I want to see us tomorrow stay above 995. If we can stay above 995, then we could still be in a consolidation move here that would still be bullish because we're making a high base formation. But if we crack this line and head southbound, I'm going to be looking to go short the market because it could be a bloody mess. Now know that the Fed's in meeting right now. Anything can happen out there in the markets. Now for the vast majority of you, I'm signing off right now, but I want you to, for anybody that's interested in Matador myself training, I have a couple special words for you to end up this video. So this is time for you to bail out if you'd like to. All right. Now, a lot of you don't know this, but Matador and myself, D7, have been training, I'm telling you, a lot of individuals, one-on-one and one-on-group training sessions. We have well over 700 students between the two of us that we personally mentored. A lot of you don't know that, so I want to just let you know that you have an opportunity to do so. An opportunity to do so in September. It's a weekend event. The weekend event will be a 3-day event. It'll be a Saturday, Sunday, and a Monday live trading day. And then we will do a 1-day follow-up after that. So it's technically 4 training days. If you're interested, email Brian@freetrainingvideos.com. We'll get you invited to a webinar where you can hear more about the program. Happy trading to each and every one of you. Let it be a profitable week for you. Until next time, we'll catch you there in the forums and then also in the chat room.